For demonstration, here we have 21 stitches on main needle. 20 stitches multiple of 10. 2 times 10 plus 10 is equal to 20 plus 1. Exercise 21. Here I make this pattern after cast on. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. First row right side, knit edge from right side. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn in front, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn in back. That's a repeat from here to here. Knit 5, purl 5. This is 10 stitches pattern. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Again we repeat this pattern. How many stitches you have? So one more time. Knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn in front, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we complete 2 times repeat pattern. Now this is second row, wrong side. In this row, knit as knit and purl as purl. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn in front, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a repeat from here to here. Knit 5, purl 5. Again we repeat this pattern. So one more time. Knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn in front, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Purl edge from wrong side. Now this is third row and right side. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn in back, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a repeat from here to here. Purl 5, knit 5. Again we repeat this pattern. How many stitches you have? So one more time. Purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn in back, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we complete 2 times repeat pattern. Last edge, purl edge from wrong side. Right side. Third row is complete now. Fourth row, wrong side. In this row, knit as knit and purl as purl. Slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a repeat from here to here. Purl 5, knit 5. Again we repeat this pattern. So one more time. Purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fourth row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. So one more time we make this pattern from first row. First row right side, slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn in front, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a repeat from here to here. Knit 5, purl 5. Again we repeat this pattern. So one more time, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again we start this pattern from first row. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. Both sides are same. In this way we repeat these 1 to 4 rows, and after repetition of 4 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of a project like ladies cardigan, girls top, baby sweater, baby frock, shawl and stall. So friend, if you like my videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.